Today we will discuss about the most important topic. Welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Karunashree, BHMS, MD Homeo. Are you feeling stressed? Don't worry. Here we can see the ways of managing stress. Stress is a natural feeling of not being able to cope with the situations or specific demands and events. Or, in other words, it's a physiological response to a perceived danger. Stress can be of two types: healthy stress and unhealthy stress. Healthy stress will feel it during the times of examination and games, and the other one, unhealthy stress or harmful stress, will face during the times of work tension, burdens, family problems, and unhealthy relationships. Any type it may be, we can manage it with the help of so many natural measures. Here we can see the ways of managing stress through different techniques. During the times of stress, our body will release so many hormones like cortisol, endorphins. These hormones will affect our body in physical, mental, and emotional aspects. The common symptoms of the stress are headache, fatigue, sleeplessness, depression, irritability, restlessness. So many symptoms will be there. So we have to manage our stress levels and we have to balance our body with these natural measures. According to Gale Encyclopedia, the stress management is the set of techniques and programs intended to help people deal more effectively with stress in their lives by analyzing the specific stressors and taking positive actions to minimize their effects. Here, the techniques for proper stress management are getting good sleep, yogic measures like asanas, pranayama, breathing techniques, listening to a good music, spending time with friends and family members, exercises, meditation, and spa. Here we will discuss one more important technique to relieve stress, that is ancient Japanese healing technique. It works on acupressure points to reduce the stress levels. The Japanese technique is the one of the best method to revive yourself quickly. In our body, each finger represents a specific feeling or attitude or emotion. Thumb combats with anxiety, index finger combats with fear, middle finger combats with anger, ring finger combats with sadness, and little finger combats with self-esteem. Process: to harmonize or to calm the life energy in our body, grasp the finger with the opposite hand, wrapping all the fingers and thumb around it. Now, hold each finger for a span of 1 to 2 minutes. Then you feel the pulsating sensations. Do the same process with each finger every day. After some days, you'll feel the change. You feel the difference. For combating stress, nutrition also is a very important aspect. Diet rich in vitamin C, B complex, zinc, magnesium, fatty acids, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential oils also needed. Thank you so much for listening. For more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.